Welcome back to my channel, the Sydney Gardener, here in Gadigal and Darug country, Punchbowl. I'm just showing you the front lawn today, because I haven't done that yet. These are really lovely sunflowers with multiple flowers on one plant, and I have these because I'm going to tie it back because the wind is really knocking it around and I'm worried that it's going to snap. More sunflowers here. I've bought some flowers that I want to plant. I don't know if I'll get around to doing that today. I took my Pfizer booster, so I'm feeling a bit tired. Here's another one. These are really tall. I was worried that they wouldn't grow as much as the ones in the backyard because they don't get as much sun, but they've done really well. So I have this baby's breath perennial variety that's pink that I want to put on the corner of these beds, along with a few of these pink ground covered daisy kind of flowers. So this is what this looks like now. I mean, it's not very fancy, but it's what I can do right now. I can't really do much about the other ones because they're not even against the window, so I need a really long cord. And I don't even have stakes that can support them, so we'll just see what happens. Inshallah, nothing falls over. This one's really tall, much taller than me. So a quick update on my everlasting daisy seedlings and billy button seedlings. After the heat wave, about 60% of them died, unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to scatter some more. And these are the amazing seedlings that stuck around. This one, I'm not sure if it's a seedling or a weed because it's way ahead of everyone else. I'm just gonna let it grow and see what happens. Some more baby's breath here, white variety. So there's a lot of wind and things are getting knocked around. Unfortunately, the snow in summer got cooked completely and there's not a single one that survived. Yeah, same with the baby's breath that I planted. So yeah, unfortunately the coleus still survived, and these daisies or echinacea, again I'm not sure, they survived, which is good, and the lamb's ear survived it. It's growing really slowly, and the carob seedlings survived too. So this is what the zinnia patch is looking like. It's really gorgeous, and I thought it was peaking before, but I mean, I went away for a few days last weekend and I came back and found that the blooms had increased in size, which I didn't know that zinnias actually do that. So after the bloom is actually opened, it grows in size, which is really cool. Probably need to cut these sunflowers. This is looking glorious. And these are bigger zinnias. Probably a different variety. I did plant a few different varieties, so, but they're single flowers. I did cut these two sunflower heads off, but they actually shed most of the seed on the grounds. That happened while I was away, so I couldn't really get to them in time, but I should be able to harvest some of these seeds. But the good thing is that the birds had them, which is cool. So these zinnias have also opened, looking really flash. And this is today's harvest. So I cut one of the sunflowers that are really heavy with seed. So I'll collect the seeds from this. And here are some zinnias, 3 zucchinis, and 3 cucumbers, and lots of tomatoes. And that concludes our video for this week. I hope you have a great week ahead, and see you next time.